Hi, this is Rotimi. Today is the 17th January 2026. I just want to post one trade idea for the week. First off, let me check the news calendar first. This is investing.com economic calendar. Just want to check from the past week, Monday to Friday, where the activity showed up mostly. Just give it a little time to load. I don't know why this. Okay. January. Monday, Japan was closed. Not a lot of activity. Tuesday CPI. That's nice. I like the CPI. I like the USD pairs. Retail sales, existing home sales. I like USD. Lots of important news events. And please keep in mind, I've checked before now, so already have when I get my Ethereum. I did the analysis earlier, but I forgot to record, so this is why I'm doing it again. You can see my chart already kind of up. So here's a simple idea. I want to continue this trend of higher lows, even though prices are at what we might call resistance at this area. I'm still interested in buying on the lower time frames. So this is the daily time frame. I can't do anything on the daily time frame just because of the sheer amount of data that is involved there. So I have to go to the lower time frame using the idea from the lower time frames, from the higher time frame rather. This is the 4 hour time frame. Same idea. I'll change the color. Yellow. Price kind of give a refresh here and it's up again. So I want to look for an entry on this area. Please be aware that this is not a financial advice in any way or me trying to sell courses or anything. I'm not really interested in that. I'm more concerned with money management, and this is just a way of showing what is possible in this market. This doesn't look like it's relenting. These are very strong guys here. You can see from this area and compare it to what the sellers are trying to do. So I like this. I like this a lot. I'm looking at a lot more information that I'm revealing because trying to explain the entire thing will be might be too complicated. So I'm just first level stuff here. Price tries to come down here, So today's Saturday. For me to enter, I would love to enter around this area, but for me to enter, I want some kind of activity to the wrong side. Some kind of activity to the wrong side. I'll change the color again. Let's see white. Then I'll try to enter around this area. Today is Saturday. I don't know if obviously there won't be much activity today, or if any at all. I'll just watch maybe early Sunday or Sunday afternoon, depending on what happens. I'll update you then. I'm trying to do my calculations to know the right lot size to enter with. So I've entered the trade around this area. Lot size of 0.266. See if I can share my screen on that. I'll send a screenshot to myself now. Alright, this 42 p.m. West African time, Sunday, 18th of January 2026. I just want to provide an update with regard to the Ethereum buy. I took yesterday. There was a bit of activity yesterday, surprisingly. So this is the activity that came in yesterday. So I expect a bit more later today. Just very not too far from now. So depending on what happens, my exit, I don't know, maybe my exit will be somewhere around here. And I'll provide a screenshot of the current price on MT5. This is just the update so far. Alright, this is 8:51 a.m. 20th January 2026. I just want to provide an update, a final update on the Ethereum idea. I believe it ended in more or less a break even. Let me check. No, I'll post a screenshot instead. Somewhere around here. I exited somewhere around this area. Okay, let me just remove this. I exited somewhere around this area. This strong downward movement was caused by started around 12. I believe 12. Okay, let me confirm. Yeah, 12 a.m. Due to that was forex market open due to the Trump tariffs. I'll explain the Trump tariff issue in the next video, so no problem about that. But this ended. I'll post the MT5 screenshots. A better pair would have been the Binance token. Similar entry with my Ethereum trade there. Similar entry. Then this was unable to get to the recent high, but the Binance token went a bit further than the recent high, so this would have been a better pair, but no problem. I'll just update why the Trump tariff issue caused this trade idea to more or less collapse on its head. Alright, so that's it for this week.